Hello guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this video, we'll walk you through the step-by-step process on how to install and set up Nutshell Action Automation for workflow apps. Once on your account, head over to App Marketplace, search for your app and click on it. Click on Install. Here, click on Allow and Install. Once your app has successfully been installed, you're going to refresh your tab and click on the custom page. Then the interface of the app is going to pop up where you have access to your documentation. Under the tutorials, you're going to have access to a smart cue video that is going to serve as a guideline on how to get the necessary credentials to set up the app. We equally have the setup. And now the setup here, we notice that our app haven't yet been connected. But no worries, we're going to walk you through on how to connect and set up the app. Firstly, you're going to head over to your account online. Once you're here, click on Settings. Under the Settings menu, you're going to click on Connections. Click on API. You're going to click on Add API Key. Enter your API key name. And here, you're going to choose API Access. Once you're done, click on New API Key. There we go, our API key has been generated. So we're going to click on the API key name and then copy your API key. And then click on Save API Key. So you're going to head over back to your account. Click on Start Setup. You're going to paste your API key. You're going to enter your Nutshell login email. Once you're done, click on Complete Setup. There we go. Our app has successfully been connected and set up. We equally have the support center. At the number of support center, you can create a ticket for our support team, or you can book a call with our support team. We have the changelog. At the number of changelog notifications concerning the new updates and the changes of the app. In order for you to receive these notifications, you're going to toggle on the notification button and click on subscribe. And that's it. I hope this tutorial helped you get everything set up. If you need any help, our support team is here for you 24/7.